Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up proper Facebook advert, a profitable advert for small and medium scale fashion brands or fashion businesses. Okay, I'm going to show you the three-step framework that you're going to use. The first one, which forms the basic and the most important, is your creative. Especially as a fashion brand, as a fashion business, as a medium or small scale fashion business, your creative plays a major role in how you attract customers, in how you sell to customers. If you have a very poor or boring creative, your advert is going to struggle. You are going to struggle to make sales. You might just be spending money on adverts and you're not seeing results. Okay, we're going to get to that point. I'm going to show you exactly how these things are done. And then the second one is your funnel. As a small or medium scale fashion business, your funnel should be WhatsApp. And I'm going to explain to you why it is WhatsApp and how you should go about this so that you can increase your sales subsequently. Okay, so without wasting time, we're going to get started with this and I show you exactly what you need to do, how you need to do it to start getting better results for your fashion business. Or if you are a media buyer, if you are someone who sets up adverts for people, you can use this formula and set up advert for fashion brands and make more money for yourself. So this is the moment where I ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just tap on your screen there, like the video, because the more like this video gets, the more people get to see it. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you get to learn more about advertising, marketing, sales, how to make money online, and generally how to grow your business. Now guys, without wasting time, let's dive in. So we click on create here. And then because I said your funnel is going to be WhatsApp, we use the messages objective right here. So we select the messages objective because we want to send people to our WhatsApp. So we drop down here, drop down the menu icon. We name our campaign fashion brand test ad because this is a test ad. Fashion brand test ad 1. Fashion brand test ad 1. All right. So name our campaign. So when we get here, you leave everything exactly the way it is. Don't try to change anything. Don't turn on this A/B test. Leave this CBO here. Leave CBO turned off. That is the campaign budget optimization. Leave it turned off. So we come to the ad set here. Come to the ad set level. This is where we say that the ad set level is where you set up how you want your adverts to be delivered. Okay. So we turn off Messenger. We turn off Instagram. And then we check WhatsApp. We select WhatsApp because we want people to contact us on WhatsApp. So we select WhatsApp. And we select the page. We select the page that we want this advert to appear to. Okay. So let's see, which page are we going to use now as an example? Which page are we going to use as an example? I don't have any fashion brand page here. So I'll just use my personal page, which is not going to, which is not, does not in any way relate to fashion, but let's go. So once you selected your page has to be connected to your WhatsApp business account. Take note. The page you are going to be using for this advert has to be connected to a WhatsApp business account, or rather a WhatsApp business account has to be connected to the page. So if you don't have your WhatsApp business connected to your page, you go on Facebook now, you link your WhatsApp business to your business page so that you can run this kind of advert. Okay? And then we come down here, we select our budget, our daily budget. Is it $5, $10, $20, $50? Whatever you can afford, you select your budget here. Then we come down to location. This is Nigeria. You select your own location. If you want to target the whole Nigeria, that's for you. If you want to target specific locations, you can target those specific locations. All right. So I can take off Nigeria here, and then I say I want to target places like Lagos. All right. I want to target places like Lagos. So I look for Lagos. City. I look for the city here. That's Lagos City. And within 25-mile radius, I can choose to reduce this or increase, but don't increase. It's better you reduce it so that it is within the metropolis. It doesn't go far, so that you are not in Lagos and someone from Ijebode, someone from Abeokuta, Abeokuta is close by, someone from Akure is calling you that they saw your advert. It doesn't make sense. And if you want to avoid that also, always ensure that you check here, people living in this location. Okay, then you come down, you select the age range of your target audience. What is the age range of your target audience? If you don't know the age range, go to your Instagram business bio, business profile, check on the insights. On that insight, you will see the age range of your ideal audience. You will see the age range that has the highest engagement on your profile. That is the ideal age range of your business. You come here and put it. Let's assume it's within 23 to say 45. Since we're talking of fashion here, yeah, to 45. I'm just guessing. Now let's assume that what you are selling is for women. Okay, then you target women here. A very important note: if you run a fashion brand, if you're running adverts, don't target both gender. If you are selling if you're selling something for women, make sure you're selling for women. If you're selling for men, make sure it's for men. Don't combine men and women stuff on the same advert. It's going to be confusing. You are going to just waste money on adverts with little results. If you want to sell to women, focus on selling to women. If you want to sell to men, focus on selling to men in that particular advert so that whoever is seeing your advert, it's either a woman or a man. Decision is easier that way. So you select your gender, then you come here and select your detailed targeting. So who are the people interested in your business? For fashion business, do not target fashion. Ideally, your mind would have told you to target fashion accessories, fashion, blah blah. These things you are targeting now. Do you know the people who are going to see the advert? You are competitors because they are the ones who are interested in fashion. They are the ones who are interested in fashion accessories because that is their field. So if you target this kind of interest, your advert will be shown to your competitors. So make your research and find out what's your ideal target audience, what they are interested in, what are their behaviors, what are their demographics, what are their interests. Use it here. If you don't know it, research for it or use the browse option here. So with the browse option, you browse for demographics, interest, behaviors. Just click on this drop down here. You browse different demographics. You click on the drop down here. On the interest, you browse different interests. Okay, for behavior, you click on the drop down, you see different behaviors. All right, so make sure you know the interest of your ideal target audience. So once you are feeling the interest there, it means that you are good to go. So you come down here, placement. In placement, use manual, not automatic, manual. And now this is the point where you begin to choose: do you run this advert on Facebook or Instagram? Before you choose this, you have to ask yourself a very honest question. If people want to check out new styles, new designs, new kind of clothing, or trendy styles, trendy two-piece wears for women, those kind of things, where do they go to search? Do they go on Facebook to search, or do they go, or do they go on Instagram to search? Your answer to this question will determine your next line of action. So if someone is searching for a trendy cloth now, or they're searching for the trending nightwear or sexy lingerie, new set of bras, pants, those kind of things, where do they go and search for these things? Is it on Facebook or they go on Instagram to search for it? If you're honest with yourself, you realize that most fashion activities goes on Instagram. A lot of fashion activities, that's where the celebrities are, that's where they show off different style, that's where they show off a lot of things, and that's why people look up to them to learn different style or how to style their stuff, whatever it is. So that makes our decision easier. So we uncheck audience network, we uncheck Facebook. Our advert is now going to be focused on Instagram. All right, our advert is going to be focused on Instagram. So for Instagram, your advert is going to be shown in 4 places. The news feed, the what's it called? The news feed, the reels, the explore, and this Insta story. Okay, so these are the places your advert is going to show: the news feed, the explore, the reel, and Insta story. Okay, so we uncheck these ones. Everything is set here. So everything is set here for us. It's saying using fewer than 6 placements may increase your cost per result. Don't listen to them. Just use what is available for you. Okay? Stories and reels, explore and everything. It's going to show you. You're going to see it. Stay with me. So I have checked feed. I've checked stories and reels. Where else are we going to check? We uncheck Facebook just to make sure that we're not making any mistakes here. Okay. So we come down to add proper. We come down to the add properly now. Like I said, these days, Instagram has made it easier for you to be able to post Instagram reels and then come on the ads manager and use that particular reel to run advert, to set up adverts. So all you need to do is you make your creative. Your creative, I mean your copy and your videos. For fashion brands, the days of using pictures are fast depreciating. If you want to capture your audience, if you want to capture their attention and keep their attention, use catchy creatives, use catchy videos. All right, this is what I mean. Use videos. For instance, if you're selling sneakers, if you have 4 different kind of sneakers or different colors, you wear one, let your friends, or you wear one, make 5 seconds videos of you wearing those things, and then make make them into a video, something creative, different background, flip flop, whatever it is, transition videos. Just be creative so that people will be watching the video without even knowing that they are watching an advert. Before they know what they're doing, they are placing orders. Okay? If you want to find out, you can go and do your research and see people who use photos on Instagram for fashion brands and people who use videos, who use show videos, show off, like demonstration, like people who wear two-piece, ladies who wear two-piece and stuff. And then when they wear it, they step, like they keep the camera in front of them, they walk towards the camera, they walk back, you see the features, you see the dressing. These things, these things arouses people's curiosity. These things arouses desire. It creates desire in people. They want to wear those stuff. So for you to be able to sell female wears on Instagram, you need to find a model. If you cannot model for yourself, if you don't have that shape, that nice shape that people are always admiring, you can find someone who does. Let them wear the clothes and walk in front of the camera, walk towards the camera, walk back, turn around, show the sides, show the back, show the front. People go crazy. People go crazy. That's the thing, right? Even people who do not have that kind of killer body, they will still want to buy it, hoping that yeah, it will still fine for their body. These things are this is psychology. Check out people who use pictures and those who use videos. Check out the level of engagement, and you will see that those who make videos get more engagement. Those who make reels. All right. And when you post your reel on Instagram, make sure it's connected to Facebook so that you'll be able to use it here on advert. Once I've posted it, then you come down here. Your account has been selected. Yeah. So this is create ad here. You use existing post. You select use existing post. Remember, you attract them with videos. You take them to your WhatsApp and you show them what? Show them pictures, because fashion brand, fashion products, fashion clothes, shoes, stuff. People don't just see advert and order. They will ask questions, colors, size, does it stretch, material. They're going to ask you different questions, and these questions will be overwhelming on Instagram. But when you bring them to your WhatsApp, they will ask questions, you will answer them, you will send pictures to them. So on Instagram, you are on your advert, you are using video to attract and capture them. But on the back end, which is your funnel, which is your WhatsApp, you are using pictures to close them. So I show you a video of this top. Then when you now come to my WhatsApp, I will now show you pictures of the top, the side, the neck, the collar, the everywhere. You see it, you admire it, you love it. You ask them to save your number and you save theirs. Every day, you are posting at least 10 to 15 stories creatively, WhatsApp status, so that you will stop spending money on adverts and then using your WhatsApp to sell without spending a dime on adverts. Okay? So once you have selected use existing post here, you come down here and select post. Okay? You come down here and select post on your Instagram. On your Instagram. You select post on your Instagram. Make sure you are selecting a video. I don't have any videos to select here, so I'm just going to use this post as an example. So once you select this post, you are good to go. You are good to go. Okay? Once you select your post, you are good to go. Then you will see a call to action button. That call to action will allow you to either select, that call to action will allow you to put WhatsApp button here, messages on WhatsApp. You will see it here when you do your own. Why my own is not showing here is because it's not even a video. I don't have any of the videos. I don't have any fashion brand that I would use to make an example. I'm just telling you for a fact that once you select your video, you have the option to select WhatsApp messages on WhatsApp here, so that it will show here within your advert. So that when people see your advert, they will click on message on WhatsApp and they will come to your WhatsApp and you close them there. Okay, you can always change the post if you want to. You can always change the post. You can always change the post if you want to. All right? You can always change the post. You have that power within you. You have that power to change the posts, to do whatever you want to do. I can select any post. You can select any post so far the post is a video. You can always select any post of your choice, of your choosing. Then once the post is selected, you ensure that you update the WhatsApp stuff here. You are going to see your call to action button here. So that you select call to action. Your call to action should be message us on WhatsApp or send a WhatsApp message. Simple. Once you have done that, you simply click on publish here. You publish. All right? You publish. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Once you publish, you wait for Facebook or Instagram to approve your advert. Then when the adverts start running, people will see your adverts. They will be watching it without even knowing that it's an advert. The more they watch it, the lesser you pay. That's why I said creatively make your videos to be appealing so that people will love to watch it. The more eyes balls your videos have, the lesser it's going to cost you. Okay? Because it will increase your relevance score. And when your relevance score is high, it means that your advert is relevant to the audience you're targeting. So it will reduce the cost per result. To reduce the cost per message. It will reduce the cost per WhatsApp message you are getting. So that when you attract them with a video, you close them with what? With a picture on WhatsApp. And then they save your number, you save theirs, they begin to view your stories, and you begin to make more sales. You begin to have 1,000 views, 2,000 views, and then you begin to make more sales without even spending any money on advert anymore. These things are simple. Just learn it. Focus one step at a time. Watch this video again. One step at a time, you will get it. And when you get it, you will smile. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you, to attend to all your questions. And I'll have to call it a day at this point. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share with as many people you know you find it helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.